Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this electric makeup brush and sponge cleaner machine. Alright, so today we've got our makeup brush and sponge machine. This one is an automatic cleaning machine, so it works by cleaning your makeup brushes as well as your makeup sponges. This is suitable for small to medium sized brushes. It's got an 80R minute high durability motor. It has a one push button on and off, 5-volt 2-amp USB rechargeable plug and play. So in the back it just basically gives you the process to turn it on. This one here is for your brushes as well as your sponges. So you drop a proper amount of cleaning liquid, insert the makeup brushes and start cleaning. They would absorb water and then you can use it also for air drying. So this one is a super nice makeup brush. It does have these holes at the top where you could put in your makeup brushes. So this one does come attached with the USB charging cable. So you can plug it into the wall or you can also plug it into a power bank, which that is what I'm going to do. So inside of this it gives you a little detailed instructions on how to work this machine, which is super easy. You just plug it in, turn it on, add your cleaning solution. I just use regular soap, a little amount of soap to clean my brushes. And this top is right here is where you'll put your makeup brushes. They have smaller holes, they have bigger holes for small brushes and bigger brushes. As you can see, these smaller holes are for the smaller brushes. And then I'm just going to add in my other one, and I do have a bigger one, so that one I'm going to add that into one of the bigger holes. As you can see right here, I'm just adding this one in the bigger hole. Be careful of not breaking it. So you're going to have to push it back a little bit so it doesn't hit the very bottom of the machine. So what I'm going to do is just add it right in here. As I said, you want to push it up a little bit. So this one has to go up because it's touching the very bottom. So I'm just going to push it up a little bit so there's room between the bottom of the machine and the brushes. So then we're going to add our solutions in there. And then the solution that I'm actually going to use is just a little drop of Gain dish soap, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. So first we're going to go and add some water up here. They have a max line. So once you fill it up to the max line, then you can go ahead and plug it in and turn it on. So now that I got a little bit of water in here, it is up at the max line. We're going to turn the power on. You can see that it's swishing around your brushes. The water is going around your brushes, cleaning it. You can take the top off and then just rub the brush on the very bottom so it can get the motion of like you're washing it by hand. So you can see all the dirt, the makeup dirt that's coming from the brush in the water. It works really nice. It cleans it very nice. And when you're finished with it, you can hang it upside down and have your brushes dry. So what I'm going to do is take the top off, take one of the brushes out. So this is just regular dish soap that I'm using. And then you can lay it on the bottom while it cleans the brush itself. So I'm going to start one more time. And then I'll remove the brushes. And then I'll have the brush run at the bottom. So this is a 3-in-1. Cleaning, drying, and a storage. It does a really good job of cleaning your brushes. So I usually let it set about 5 to 10 minutes just to make sure that all my brushes are nice and clean. So you can see I'm just letting it run at the bottom. All the makeup grime is in this water, and I'm just using regular dish soap. So this uses a 5-volt 2-amp or higher adapter plug for optimal performance. It has a one-touch power button. This electric makeup brush cleaner, no assembly is required. It has a large capacity and automatic cleaning for multiple makeup brushes simultaneously. You can say goodbye to the manual cleaning, which I hate cleaning my brushes manually. I love this one. This is a really nice makeup brush. It has a sonic vibration bath removing dirt and residue from your makeup brushes. And the Cosmetic Brush Cleans provide through cleaning and drying process to maintain skin health, because we all know you don't want to have dirty brushes because it can leave bacteria to your face. So right now this is what the brush looks like. They are nice and clean. So what I'll do is I'll add a little bit more water in it, just clean water, just to make sure that all the soap is off. And then once I do that, you can see that the brush is all nice and clean, and I'm just going to give it a little roll around at the bottom. And then I'm going to drain the water and I'm going to set the brushes up. So this great thing is that they do set to dry, as well as you can use this for a storage of your makeup brushes. So right now I'm just letting them set to dry. They didn't take very long to dry. I would say that this automatic makeup brush cleaner is a very nice cleaner. It does clean out your brushes very well. If you're looking for a makeup brush cleaner that is automatic and is super easy to clean your brush, I would highly recommend checking this one out.